Alright, so we're about to see the tank reveal, what we've done to it. The big one. We printed it on the CR10. Creality CR10 3D printer. Okay, let's go.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Let's do the reveal. There she goes. Oh my. Oh my. This is great. Look at that. And look at this. Accessories. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got some real accessories here. There you go. He's gonna be shooting at us. The next project will be trying to make this thing move. We'll make one that's movable with the tracks and everything. Look at that. We got some accessories here. This is real metal. That's cool. That was a real nice touch there.
Yeah. I watched the videos. I want to make it more realistic, so.
It's looking good.
They wrap it around like that. Toe hook, whatever it is.
Came out really well, eh?
Oh yeah, it looks great. The size makes the difference. You gotta make 3D tanks this big.
You gotta make them big. That's what the Creality CR10 is for. It's a big 3D printer. Can handle something that big. That's looking nice. Alright, Franco.
Right on.
Thanks a lot for painting it. There you go. Beautiful
Looks good.
Tiger tank.
Looks good.
Tiger 1. Nice paint job. Alright, so till next time, we'll show you some more 3D prints from Creality CR10. Talk to you later.